Classification is not a one-step process. It involves a number of steps, and each step in the classification process is a taxon. So all of the steps together are called taxonomic categories. Let's take a look at the taxonomic categories. They are kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. So they are in a hierarchical order. Species is the smallest taxonomic category and kingdom is the largest taxonomic category. How do we remember this hierarchical pattern? K for keep, P for plates, C for clean, O for or, F for family, G for gets, and S for sick. So, keep plates clean or family gets sick. This is how you can remember the correct sequence of taxonomic categories. We'll try to understand the taxonomic categories by an example. As we know, species is the smallest taxonomic category. A group of similar individuals that can interbreed together to give rise to fertile offspring is known as a species. So, Labrador Retriever is a dog species. You can see they are of different types, they are of different varieties. They have different coat colors. Yet, they belong to the same species, so they can interbreed together and give rise to fertile offspring. The next higher category is that of genus. So, a group of related species represents a genus. In the previous slide, we saw that Labrador Retriever is a dog species. In the same way, German Shepherds, Siberian Husky, Poodle, Pomeranian, Rottweiler, and Pugs, they are all different species of dogs. And when different species of dogs come together, they form a genus, which is called the Canis. So all the dogs come under the genus Canis. When a group of related genera come together, they form a family. In the previous slide, we saw that dogs are a particular genus. In the same way, wolves, jackals, foxes, they are all different types of genera, but they are related to each other. And so, all of them form a family, which is called the Canidae family. The next higher category is that of an order. So, when related families come together, they form an order. Like the cat family, the dog family, the bear family, the raccoons, skunk, mongoose, all of them form different families. And when all these families come together, they form an order called Carnivora. So all of these families are meat eaters. Hence, they are placed in the order Carnivora. The next higher category is that of a class. When related orders come together, they form a class. When meat eaters and plant eaters that are related to each other, that is, they have hair on their body, they have external ears, they have mammary glands to nourish the young ones, they all come together to form a class called Mammalia. A group of related classes form a phylum. As we discussed before, that Mammalia is a class. In the same way, related classes like amphibians, reptiles, birds, fishes, they all come together to form a phylum called Chordata because they have one feature in common, that is, they have a backbone. When related phylums come together, they represent a kingdom. So different phylums like Chordata, non-chordates, they all come together to form the animal kingdom. Thank you for watching. If you understood the topic, do press the like button and share it with your friends.